I've designed this routine to be either a cool down after a workout or an activity like a walk, a hike, a sport, or this can also be a standalone routine that you can add into your day for a movement break, exercise snack, get up from sitting and add some movement and stretches into your day. Plant your feet, core engaged, chest lift, standing tall. We'll start with 3 big breaths and we'll lift and lower arms. Inhale to the ceiling, exhale, arms down. 2 more. And then position your feet in a staggered stance for a rocking move. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, toes are pointing forward. We start to reach the arms forward and lift the back heel, reach forward, reach up, and then rock back, arms come back, lift the toe, back heel comes down, front toe lifts, and continue. Just rocking on your feet. You decide how high you lift your arms. One more for this side. And then switch the feet around. Just switch your feet, toes pointing forward, going back to our rocking move. Reach arms forward, lift back heel, bring arms back, lift front toe, and keep going. Two more. Position your feet a little bit wider than hip width. Arms along the side of the body. Fingertips on the outside of the thighs for side bends. Side bend over to one side. Just let the fingertips slide down the leg. Come to center. Side bend to the other side. One more each side. Position your feet wherever is comfortable. We're going to clasp our hands in front of our chest. Reach the arms forward, knuckles forward, just reach forward. And then bring your clasped hands above your head, turn the palms to the ceiling, reach the arms up. Release, bring your palms to your lower back. Lift the chest, shoulders back, elbows back. And we'll go through that a couple more times. Clasp your hands in front of the chest. Reach the arms forward, knuckles forward. Bring clasped hands above the head. Turn the palms to the ceiling, reach up. Arms come down, palms on the lower back, shoulders back, elbows back. Clasp hands, reach forward. Above the head, palms to ceiling. Release, palms to lower back. And release. Coming back to that staggered stance, we'll come into a pyramid pose. So we've got our feet staggered, toes pointing forward, hands on hips. Feel free to have a hand on a wall or a support for balance. From here, we're going to hinge at the hips. We're keeping a neutral spine, so we're not rounding forward, and just hinge at the hips. And pause wherever your body feels like it's the right place to be, just a gentle stretch. Inhales and exhales. Just notice your breath. Start to lift the upper body and then switch the feet. And again, hinging at the hips, come forward. Have another full breath. And lift the upper body. We're going to reach one arm to the ceiling, bend the elbow, let the hand come either behind the head or to the upper back, and just pause here, stretching out the back of the upper arm. Keep that tall posture. And release, other side. Release. Hamstring stretch. We'll bring one foot forward, land on your heel, toe lifted, hands on hips or a hand on a support. Let your hips come back. So put a bend in that supporting leg, bend in the knee, hips back. Nice stretch to the back of the leg. Just find a spot to focus on, either on the floor or across the room to help with balance. And lifting up, we'll switch sides. Bring your other foot forward, land on your heel, toe lifted, hips move back. Have another breath and lift up. Shoulder rolls, let's lift our shoulders up, roll back and down. Keep going. Release tension, release the shoulders, 2 more. And we'll finish with 3 big breaths. Inhale to the ceiling, exhale down. I'm so glad you did this routine with me. Let me know in the comments how this was for you. And if you like this routine, I always appreciate hitting the like button. Share it with a friend. Hit share if there's somebody you know who would enjoy this. Take good care, and I'll see you again soon.